Do you want to make an effect like this one? Let's go. First, new composition. Put your ratio. Now to the shapes. Draw any shape you like. Now back to effects. We search for gradient ramp. We drag this effect and put it on shape layer 1. Adjust it the way you like until you got a shape you want. Now, press Ctrl D to duplicate the layer. Go to layer 2 and delete the effects. Now, go back to effects, but this time search for CC Light Sweep. Drag it and put it on layer 2. Adjust the parameters to the one I put. Smooth, 200, 0, and cut out. Your shape should look like this one. Now search for color gradient, drag it and put it also on layer 2. You can adjust the colors, but I left them as they are. Now expand until you get to the positions and colors. Alt and left mouse click on point 1 and put this wiggle 0.5.600 and do the same to all the 4 points. Your timeline should look like this one. Now, search for the glow. Drag the glow and put it also on shape layer 2. Adjust the radius to 500. Now, click on glow, Ctrl D to duplicate. We need to duplicate it 5 times. Now, your shape should look like mine. Up to the top, we go to direction. We put a keyframe on the first point of the timeline. We move 4 seconds. Now, we adjust it until the light sweep a full circle, like I'm showing you right now. So it gets back to the top right corner again. Due to YouTube limitations, I can't provide you the full project as a link in the description. However, if you commented After Effects in the comments below, I will send you a direct link for the full project, so you will have the After Effects project on your computer. You can easily edit on it and save both time and effort. Now we go to the review. If you felt that I helped you and the tutorial was easy, please help me back by liking and subscribing for my channel for more useful tutorials. And as always, thank you so much for watching.